Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of the Frenzie by Revlon, part of their bold collection, and the color is Hot Chocolate. I'm not going to go over the color in much detail because I've already reviewed this particular color for a color spotlight video, so make sure that you check out the color spotlight so you can get more details on this color and its composition. It's not as straightforward of a brunette as you might think. Anyhow, this is mostly about the wig. And I can tell you that the curl pattern on Frenzie is almost exactly the same as on Diva. It's just done in slightly smaller sections and is much shorter. I'm going to go ahead and do a 360 now so you can see what Frenzie looks like on all sides. Yeah, this one is very 80s, but I still dig it. I think it's really fun, it's really playful. I actually like this one on me a little bit better than the Diva itself. And this is definitely a more natural looking color than the Blonde Ambition that I reviewed for the Diva. I really like this one. I think that this one is definitely kind of fun, and you can recurl it, you can straighten it. It is a heat-friendly synthetic, so you do have some options. Just bear in mind that this is not actually a perm, so if you do anything to alter this curl pattern, that's going to be going forever until you reheat style it back into this shape. It does look like a very nice, clean spiral perm. The front on Frenzie is 8 inches, but it's curled right now. If it were straightened, that's how long it would be, about here-ish. The crown down 9 inches, same thing there. And the nape is 4 to 5.5. So it's quite layered all over. So if you straighten this out, it's gonna look a little shaggy. So, alrighty, let me go ahead and show you the cap construction, and then we'll talk some more about it when I put it back on. So Frenzie is a fashion wig, just like all of these bold collection wigs. So even though it's nice, she's got this lace front, and it is like a scalloped, kind of tan colored lace. They have very basic cap construction. This is open with French lace on top, lots of permatease on this wig. Also has lots of tracks in the back here. So it's on the sides, and in the back it's open, has an extended lace nape, adjusts a bit like a bra, and has closed lace here on the ear tabs. The weight of this little wig is 5.26 ounces, so she's very substantial and quite heavy because she's got a lot of hair and a lot of cap, to be perfectly frank. So let me go ahead and put Frenzie back on for you now. Welcome back, everybody. So there's one more thing I want to point out about these Revlon wigs, and I've been trying to mention it in all of the videos of the Revlon wigs. The lace is a little bit darker than what most white wig buyers are going to be accustomed to. We're used to buying lace that is transparent, so it blends in well with pale skin. Well, most of the lace fronts on the market are actually going to be kind of like this, where they're like a beige or a taupe color, because anybody can basically wear this color. In fact, even we can. We just need to be able to blend it in with our makeup a little bit. You can tell it's not that far off. And there are baby hairs cut into the front of this wig. I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs at CysterWigs.com. Thank you so much for watching my wig reviews. Hopefully you'll subscribe, share, like, all that good stuff, and check out our wig store if you get a chance. And until next time, have a lovely night. Bye-bye.